Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Stories, the show where we talk about food, creativity, and the people behind great kitchen. I'm Adit.
And I am Raska. In this episode, we are excited to share a conversation with the talented chef who is known for his unique cooking style and creative ideas in the kitchen.
That's right, today we are visiting Amber and Root, a restaurant that focuses on simple cooking, seasonal ingredient, and both flavor.
We will be talking about the chef journey, the challenge of running a restaurant, and some helpful tips that you can even try at home.
So stay with us as we explore the story behind the food and discover what makes this kitchen special. Hello Mark, welcome to Kitchen Stories. I'm Adi.
And I am Raska. Today we are here with Chef Aman, chef owner of Amber and Root. Thanks for joining us.
Hello Raska and Adit, my name is Amar. Thanks for having me.
When did you start cooking?
Really early, I started cooking since I was a kid. My grandma helped me a lot through my career. So we cook every weekend and I help her later. When I was at high school, I started at a small bistro and then right now I have a restaurant named Amber and Root.
Your food is often called seasonal but a bit regular. What does it mean for you?
So when I was a child, I started by learning classical food, but that doesn't limit me from trying and having experimental food.
So you follow the basic but still try new ideas.
Yes, exactly.
Your restaurant Amber and Root, what is it about?
So my restaurant Amber and Root, it's about simple cooking, wood fire and fermentation, and seasonal ingredients too. The menu changes often.
Running a restaurant must be hard. What's the biggest challenge for you?
My biggest challenge is managing the team because we need to stay consistent. If we are not consistent, then the taste of our food won't be consistent too.
That's probably made the restaurant better, right?
Yes, much better.
Any tip for home cooking?
So my tip for home cooking is don't overcrowd your cooking. Cook in batches so you can brown your food properly.
That's a really helpful tip. How do you usually create a new dish?
So how do I create a new dish is I started with one ingredient that built the balance, texture, acidity, and also richness in the food.
So balance is important thing.
Yes, balance is an important thing in food.
Advice for a new restaurant?
So my advice for your restaurant is start small. Test your idea and build strong team so you can get success later.
That's a great advice.
Where can people find you?
People can find me on Instagram at Amber and Root and also on our website.
Thanks for coming, Jeff.
Yes, thank you.
That's bring us to the end of the episode. We hope you enjoy learning about the journey behind the kitchen and the ideas that inspire great cooking.
Yes, and we hope the tips we share today can help you feel more confident when cooking at home and encourage you to try new flavors.
Don't forget to follow us for more stories about food, creativity, and the people who make the culinary world exciting.
Thank you so much for listening to Kitchen Story. We will see you again in our next episode.
Goodbye everyone and keep cooking.